The price of Solana is rebounding nicely over the last couple of hours, and that's because Jerome Powell, well, he didn't spook the markets. In fact, he came out, he eased concerns a little bit, and we're already starting to see a bounce in Solana. We're starting to see a bounce in meme coins, and we're starting to see some optimism on the horizon. Guys, we're going to look at Solana a little bit in this video, but I really want to focus on two things. Number one, what Jerome Powell stated, because Jerome Powell saying some very good things for the overall market, so we're going to dive into those headlines. But if you want to take advantage of some massive potential coming up here, you know that Solana is doing well, but we are going to talk about Solana in this video, because if you want to maximize gains, you need to do it in an altcoin, and this one could absolutely explode upon launch. Let's talk about it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we've got Solana on the screen right now, and it is already up 6.6% over the last 24 hours. Now, I want to focus on Solana for a second because the price action is a steady incline over the last 6, 7, 8 months or so, and this is beautiful. But when you're talking about pre-sales, when you're talking about Solana-based meme coins, you have a decision to make. Are you going to sit there and make 10, 20, 30% gains in something large, a nice blue chip company or a blue chip crypto like Solana? Or are you going to go out there and you are going to maximize profits in something like Solana? Now, we're going to talk about Solana in a second here, but I want to talk about why Solana and other cryptos are moving higher right now, and then why it might be a good decision to get into these meme coins, to get into these pre-sales now as opposed to later. The Federal Reserve today coming out, no interest rate cut, but also no interest rate hike. Jerome Powell came out, left interest rates unchanged, just as the market had expected. Now, that is excellent news, and as you can see from these headlines, FOMC meeting today, interest rates stay unchanged, no hint on cuts. Federal Reserve holds interest rates steady, inflation progress has been made. Federal Reserve, stocks rise after the FOMC keeps rates steady. Bullish, hawkish, good for markets. You guys can read through the headlines right here, and this is excellent news. Now, a lot of people were concerned, and that's why we saw a sell-off in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on over the last couple of days. But if this truly inspires investors, if investors are looking towards the future instead of wondering or worrying about the future, we should expect prices to increase. Now, as you can see, Solana is doing very, very well over the last couple of months, but it is also doing well to recover today off of this horizontal level of support right here at about $120 per coin. Already jumping back up above $130 per coin. Now, I'm going to focus on Solana for a second here, because as Solana increases, it is going to get more and more expensive for you to buy Solana. Now, if you're interested in this, please make sure to utilize the official affiliate link that's in the description below, because these guys are very, very early. You are one of the first to buy, and I'm going to show you how early you are. They've got 6 followers on their X account right now. You are about to see that number go up, and you are going to be one of the first to get in, which means that you guys are on the ground floor right now. But as Solana increases, because this pre-sale is priced in Solana, it is going to be more and more expensive. So Solana $130 today, and $130 lets you walk away with 6,900 Seal tokens. If Solana's $150 tomorrow. If it's $200 next week, if it's back up to $220, testing fresh highs, you're still going to be paying $220 then for 6,900 Solana. So as the price of these tokens are potentially bouncing off their support levels, hitting these dips, you are going to be getting in at an even better rate than if you say wait and see what happens next. Now, if you are interested in buying, you've already opened up the website by utilizing that official affiliate link in the description below, coming directly from the marketing company, so that you don't have to worry about any scams, and you know you can connect your wallet to this website with no issues. Check this out. You're going to click here. You're going to connect your wallet. Solflare detected. Hey, I've also got a Phantom wallet, but I'm not logged in on the computer here. Once you connect your wallet, simply type in the widget below. You want 1 Solana. You want 10 Solana. Hey, man, I don't know if you're crazy and you want 100 Solana, whatever. Do you and whatever you are comfortable with. But make sure you utilize this widget right here. If it doesn't work for you, you can send your Solana to this wallet address right here, but please make sure you're using a decentralized wallet to do so. Something like a Phantom wallet, something like a Solflare. Do not go out there and send from a centralized exchange. But of course, if you use the affiliate link and if you use this widget right here, they're going to know that you came from the correct source, and you're still going to be able to go out, paste this into Solflare, and see your purchase show up. So you're going to know that it's coming on, but let's talk about what Solana is for a second and why I'm so excited about it. Now, about Solana. Meet Solana, the chubby seal who's taking a deep dive in the Solana Sea, whaled at his PC, growing by the day. Solana is so absorbed in the Deegan market that he's abandoned the generous figure of his youth for a trader's diet of chips and tin tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin keeps his flippers busy and his living room a big fat mess. You know what I think the next Solana meme coin could be? The next big one? The next Deegan obsession? I mean, it could be Solana right here. I don't think the seal has to travel too far. How to buy seal? Simply buy it through that widget by making sure you guys utilize the official affiliate link in the description below. Now, of course, you can see that he's going to be taking after Slurf. He's going to be taking after Dog with Hat. He's going to be taking after Bonk right here. And he's going to be taking over the Solana blockchain. Now, guys, I'm excited about this for two reasons. Number one, we are bouncing on Solana today. The market, as you can see, is indicated by these headlines right here, respects and actually is optimistic about what Jerome Powell said. Combine that with the fact that you could be getting in at an extreme level of support, meaning at one of the cheapest prices we may see on Solana for a very long time here. You could be getting in at the absolute bottom and at the absolute beginning of what could be the next great meme coin. So make sure you guys check out Solana using the link in the description below. I am very excited about it. I'm looking forward to this one launching. It just started, so yes, it's going to take a while. But if you look at the Solana-based meme coins out there right now, the market is on fire. And you got a choice, right? You can buy into the blue chips, you could buy Solana itself, or of course you could look to 5, 10, 20x gain on your money by taking a little bit more of a risk, buying one of these meme coins, and watching it absolutely soar. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.